Hi everyone, this is Tehseen Hamza. In today's lesson, we will discuss about the CBSE Class 12 English poem "My Mother at 66" by Kamala Das. So it is one of the best poem. So before going to the one by one of the poem or stanza of the poem, we will discuss about the poet Kamala Das. Kamala Das was born in Kerala in Malabar, and she was one of the best Indian poets, English poets especially. And she is known as Madhavi Kutty. And this poem is also written with her pen name Madhavi Kutty, under the pen name of Madhavi Kutty. Actually, the poet had very deep connection with her mother, and at a very young age, she was married, and somehow she had to live apart from her mother. So she had very bad feeling of separation. So in this poem, the poet is talking about the very complex relationship of mother and daughter, and very painful relationship of mother and daughter. Means the mother and daughter always have a very deep and strong relationships, but at certain times they have to get separated. So here in the poem, the poet Kamala Das got separated from her mother, but when she came back to her mother, she saw the condition of her mother. She was very disappointed and upset. After passing few days, now she is moving to her home, or her in-laws home, or her husband home. So she was driving a car. She was moving toward the airport. While driving to the airport, she had a kind of emotion and feeling in her mind. So let us find what is written in the poem. Okay. My mother at 66, driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning. I saw my mother beside me, doors, open mouth, her face ashen like that of corpse, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked upon. The poet got married at the very young age, and she moved to different city to live with her husband. And when she got holidays, she used to visit to her mother, but this time she was coming to her mother after many years. She was not ready to see the condition of her mother, because this time the age of her mother was 66. And when she came, she saw the condition of her mother. She was shocked. And she was totally disappointed and upset, because she knew that this is the age of my mother. In this time she might die at any time. She became older and she is very near to death. So this thought was haunting like anything to the poet. That is the reason the poet was very upset. Now she was driving a car and she was going to the airport, Cochin airport. While driving the car, the poet was sitting their side and she was driving, or her mother was sitting her beside. And the poet was driving a car and she was looking at her mother. When she looked at the mother, the condition of the mother shocked her very much. Let us find how she is describing the condition of her mother. My mother at 66, driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday. It was Friday, and she was driving the car towards airport, and the airport was in Cochin. It was a Friday morning. I saw my mother beside me doze. When the poet saw that her mother was sitting beside her, and she had a glance at her mother, and the poet is describing the condition. The poet's mother was dozing. Dozing means just sleeping like that, and her mouth was slightly open, and she seemed very lean, pale, colorless, like a ash. Open mouth. Her mouth was open, and she was sleeping. Her face ashen like that of corpse. The poet has used simile. Her face ashen like that means whenever there is a body, the color of the body turn into gray. It's pale. It's a colorless. Like that, the mother's face complexion or body complexion is colorless, like a ash. The poet is comparing the color of mother. She is sitting there beside her. She was dozing. Her mouth was slightly open, and her face was ashen. There's no bright, no lighting, no shining, because of her old age. And the poet now realized that this is the time. Now time has come. The mother has to leave this world, and she has to die one day. This thought is giving too much pain to the mother. and she was as old as she looked. Means the poet, when the poet saw, she understood that her mother is now very old, and she's on the edge of death. She's about to die. This feeling is giving the poet strong disappointment and gloom sense of feeling. Because of this, the poet is totally upset. So we will understand only this first stanza. In the next class, we will discuss about the second stanza. Thank you, children.